Gender is a system of differentiating nouns and pronouns as masculine, feminine, neuter, or common. A noun that denotes a male is said to be masculine gender. Example: boy, man, brother, cock, bull, lion. My friend Dinesh is a boy. A noun that denotes a female is said to be a feminine gender. Example: girl, woman, sister, hen, cow, lioness. My sister is a girl. A noun that denotes either a male or female is said to be common gender. For example, parent, child, friend, servant, cousin. Student is also a common gender. A noun that denotes a thing that is neither male nor female is said to be neuter gender. Example: book, pen, room, tree, chair. My ball is a neuter gender. There are three ways of forming the feminine of nouns. One way is by using an extremely different word like boy, girl, bull, cow, king, queen, cock, hen. Another way is by adding a syllable like ess, lion, lioness. In some word, ess is added after dropping the vowel of the masculine. Actor, actress. Hunter, huntress. Prince, princess. Feminine gender is formed by placing some letters or word before or after the masculine. Man, woman, hero, heroine, servant, maidservant. Let's see some more words. Uncle, aunt, husband, wife, drake, duck, sir, madam, headmaster, headmistress, peacock, peahen, bridegroom, bride.